This video will show you how to install Java Development Kit on Mac. So the file that you need to download is on the class homepage under week 1, and I have provided you with the actual file that you can download. It's a DMG file, right? So if you click on the link on the Setup Java on a Mac, just download and install the JDK. You after downloading that, JDK version 12 .dmg is the file, right? So it's going to be around 182 megabytes, and we're going to open it. Just double click that thing, and then there's a JDK package. We're going to double click that as well. And then welcome to the JDK 12.02 installer. Click continue, click install, enter your passwords, and that's it. Okay, you can move to trash to delete that file after that, and to check if Java is installed on your computer, just open up terminal, right? And with that terminal, type Java C, and if you see this kind of text, then that means you have Java installed on your computer.